The Ego 18-inch Power Plus chainsaw is the newest addition to the Ego chainsaw lineup. Featuring new-to-the-world auto-tensioning technology, it takes all the guesswork out of chain tension. With just the twist of a knob, the Ego 18-inch chainsaw adjusts the tension of the chain perfectly every time. Another innovation is light. The Ego 18-inch chainsaw is equipped with bright LED lights, allowing you to cut at dusk, dawn, or even in the dark when a storm passes through. The 18-inch Oregon bar and chain is paired with the all-new high-powered brushless motor to give you the ability to cut trees up to 30 inches in diameter in a single pass. Ego harnesses the power of the industry's most advanced 56-volt, 5-amp-hour arc lithium battery by delivering over 200 cuts on a single charge. For added safety, the chainsaw brake shuts the blade off immediately. Plunge into thick hardwood with the assistance of the all-metal bucking spikes. Whether you're cutting firewood or clearing a fallen tree after a storm, this chainsaw will do it all. The Ego 18-inch chainsaw is one of the latest innovations from the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power equipment. Ego, power beyond belief.
Real. Pro. Power. Introducing the Greenworks Pro Cordless 18-inch Chainsaw, powered by the 80-volt Max battery system. Our industry-leading 80-volt battery system delivers unbelievable torque and power to cut through even the toughest jobs, all with zero emissions and none of the hassles of gas. This chainsaw is designed pro tough with a metal wraparound handle, steel bucking spikes, and electronic chain brake to keep you safe. Every Greenworks Pro tool is engineered with cutting-edge DigiPro brushless motors to deliver maximum performance equivalent to a 45cc gas-powered chainsaw. There's no job this saw can't handle. And when you're ready to switch tools, you can move the battery to our complete line of 80-volt power tools in just seconds. For you, it's not just a tool, it's your life. This is Greenworks Pro. Endless power, zero emissions.
Introducing the new 40-volt Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw, part of the 40-volt Max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black & Decker. These products kick gas. You'll appreciate the convenience of the tool-free chain tension feature for quick and easy chain adjustments during the job. Simply rotate the inner dial to unlock the bar, and turn the outer dial to adjust the chain's tension for optimal cutting efficiency. This chainsaw is equipped with a premium 12-inch Oregon low kickback bar and chain running at 5 meters per second for a fast cut speed, cutting through 4x4 pine lumber on average 13% faster than Ryobi's RY 4500. The automatic oiling system eliminates priming and assures your bar and chain receive the proper lubrication. The clear window allows you to gauge the oil level. This 40-volt Max chainsaw offers power, runtime, and versatility, all without the weight, noise, and hassle of gas-powered equipment. At 8.3 pounds, the chainsaw is lightweight and its full wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip in cutting applications. We've put high power in a small, compact lithium-ion battery with long life. The 40-volt Max 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery included with this chainsaw makes over 60 cuts in 4x4 pine lumber on average per single charge, resulting in 58% more cuts than the Ryobi RY 4500. The 40-volt Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw from Black & Decker.